Nugget, are you kidding me? Look at this thing.
She's exciting times, isn't it, Clubby?
Oh, mate, are you stoked on life right now or what?
The way it's come out is just way better than I ever anticipated it'd be. Yeah.
Now, what are we dealing with? DR650 Dakar. I've read that much by the logos on the bike.
That's it, easy.
That's all I know.
Built 89, 90 model. Back of the shed for the last 12 years. And I decided to pull it out and do something with it.
And prior to this restoration, I have a loving endearment term for these old bikes as shat. Starts with S. H-I-T-T-A.
I've got a fair idea.
Was it in that condition? Is that what we're talking about? Or a little bit better than that?
It was still rideable.
Yep.
I did a ride in the high country in Victoria, and I brought it back and we just put it away. And I had another one, so I rode that one mainly, and this one's just sat there. I've had three of the Dakar models. I've got a love affair with them.
Clearly. I think you've got an infection with them.
I don't know. I think it's the cushy seat.
Now, Nugget, are you a man known for your quality restorations? I don't think so.
Absolutely not. I'm good with a hammer. That's about it.
So who was involved in bringing this beast back to life?
Oh, mate, a good old mate, Glenn McDonald. Who's, you know Glenn?
We all know
Been
Glenn.
around since the dinosaurs.
Forever.
Yeah.
Well, that says it all, mate.
And he loves a good old bike. So I took it out and I said, mate, what can we do with it? I said, I want to ride it across Australia. And I said, can you service it? And he said, look, if we're going to do it, let's do it right. And he's had it for about a year and a half.
Oh, seriously?
Yep, and this is how it came out.
Oh, dead set. So you give it to him.
Yep.
And the brief is you want a rider.
Yep.
But then he says it can be better than just a rider. Is that sort of how it plays out?
That's it. I don't care. I said just a rat rod, as long as it's reliable. I don't care how it looks. I said I just want to ride it.
Oh, it's gorgeous, Nugget, isn't it, mate?
Yeah.
So a 1990 model.
Yep.
And it's as good as new. What's that, 30-something years later, 34 years later? Does that sound right? 24?
Yeah, that's about right.
34-year-old, and it's just standing here, look at it, it's like brand new, mate.
Mate, it is brand new. The engine's been totally pulled apart. Every nut and bolt got changed in it.
Yep.
Pistons and rings been rebored. Cam change, everything's brand new, been put in. Forks have been redone. Mate, the frames resprayed, resprayed.
Everything I touch is new, mate.
They could only get black anodised XL rims, so Glenn just got them all re-anodised. Natural silver. That's how extreme.
Muffler.
We got the muffler because the big ones. That's not original.
No,
but we wanted something a bit.
Yeah, I can
lighter.
imagine you want a bit less weight and more bark.
And the same off the blinkers. They were a bit wide. I thought I'm going to drop it. I don't want to break those big ones. Mate.
It is gorgeous, mate. But the thing is, like every resto I've ever been involved with, there's always drama finding parts.
Yeah.
Was that the case with this bike at all?
100%.
Yeah.
Look, a lot because it is so old. We had to look offshore as well.
Yeah.
The website from Netherlands, CMSNL.
Yes.
Yeah. A lot of it's come from Europe.
You can still get OE parts from there.
Yeah, a lot of these brake seal kits and things like that. It's got all new brakes put through it, new lines, new everything.
Go on, mate. And what was the hardest part to find? That's always the hair puller with restorations. Was there something that just gave you so much aggravation and then one day you fluke it, you find it?
It was a lubricant, a little that lubricants the cam chain. This tiny little thing. It was miniature. Anyway, he had to get one engineered up.
Oh, right.
We just couldn't find one.
He's had to fab it.
Yeah. He got one fabbed up for it.
Yeah, brilliant, mate.
So we were thinking about taking one of my other ones, and I said, I want to keep it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just gorgeous, mate. And you're just totally stoked on it or what, mate?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
How could you not love a seat like this?
Oh, mate. But it's just the pedigree and the history, mate. A fat tank. And where's the word Dakar, mate? Because remember this era, how big was the Dakar rally back in those days?
Monstrous.
It was unreal. They all made the standard versions of these bikes. Then you got into the fat tanks, longer suspension, luggage capacity, big mileage overland.
The 21-litre tank on it.
Yeah, unreal, mate. It is unreal.
So, she's going to be a good tour. Everyone says, you're going to ride it?
Yeah.
Of course I'm going to bloody ride it.
That's the best thing about you.
That's why I got it.
Ride it.
That's right.
Built for.
She's already done 90,000.
Oh, fuck.
90,000. So if I do another 50 in my time, I'll be pretty happy.
Oh, you're kidding, mate. And I hear a rumour we're going to Cameron Corner.
We
and
are.
This bike's going.
This is going. It's going to be
you're
ridden.
a gold son.
Maiden voyage, yeah. We're heading
unreal.
out there on the edge of the
Unreal.
desert.
No.
So, yeah, I've got
Too
big
good.
plans for it.
Yeah.
You know,
What else?
I want to ship it over to America. I just went to America and I've got this ambition now to ride this across.
This thing probably wouldn't even ever been sold in America originally. I don't think they ever got a lot of the big Dakar replicas over there. So you'll be exclusive over there doing that. But that's brilliant, mate. So listen, how's it sound? How's it run?
What do you reckon?
I've got to hear it. I've got to hear it start, mate.
All right.
Can you get your leg over it?
Only just. She is the old kickstart. Lucky I got legs like bowling pins.
Oh, you're riffing, mate. That is unreal. Unreal.
All right.
Yeah, come on. I've got to hear it run. Come on, we've got to hear it, Rugger. I want to hear it run. Come on.
Well, she's only come on one since I got it. She's a long way up and over.
You're right. Yeah. Need a balance here. I'll hold the.
She's all right.
All right.
Put extra strength on the stand.
Yeah.
We're going to have to start her on the stand. They go like that. They reckon 5 of them. Top dead centre.
Oh, it wants to.
Oh, no.
Ah.
What's the trick, Clubby? You around
Yeah,
with
no,
these?
I'm with you. It's with the tenor race, it's 4 pumps to clear it.
Four, is it?
Yeah, well, that was always on it. Oh, it's so close, Nugget. Come on.
Fucking hell.
Yes. Full kick. Oh, look, it's still that clean. All the polish is coming off it still.
It hasn't been ridden.
Oh, unreal.
It's a virgin.
Unreal. When are we going to Cameron Corner? Bring the trip forward. Let's go next week.
Come on, Clubby. On the back.
Go, son. Go, son. Oh, nothing. Oh, that is just gold, isn't it? Oh, mate, it's unreal. A 34-year-old motorcycle puts the biggest smile on your face.
Oh, no, look at that. That doesn't give you a woody
No, it
nothing
does,
well.
mate. It's unreal, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gaston Ray, eat your heart out, mate. That's right. No, that's gorgeous, Nugget. Great job,
Ready
mate.
to be ridden.
Yeah, great job, mate.
Ready to be ridden. That's what we want.
Oh, no, I can't wait to park it outside the pub at Cameron Corner. And know it's got all... And we're riding from Sydney for that trip too, aren't we? We're not trucking out there. It's going to be the full enchilada.
I was a bit worried. I thought,
Why?
how do I kickstart with a giant loop on? I've tested it. Works perfect.
Yeah, you'd be in front of
Kickstart
it.
misses it, yeah.
Should be in front
Yeah.
of it, yeah. No, awesome, Nugget.
That was
That
an
is so-
afterthought.
Yeah. Nah, brilliant job, brother. I just say that is wicked, mate.
Yep. Giant loop, little tank here, mate.
Yep.
The packs. It's got everything.
Yeah. Are you going to run a milk crate?
I was singing the bread basket on this one. I'll get more in it.
Yes, full capacity.
Yeah.
Nah, gorgeous
Hold
job,
it back.
mate.
Let's have it one more listen to it.
All
What
right,
do you
come on.
reckon?
Yeah, that's enough of our gibbering. It's got that new bike smell too.
Yeah.
For a 34-year-old bike. It smells new.
Right. You reckon 4, Clubby? 2, 3.
Once it's
4.
warm, you won't need to have that palaver.
There you go.
Nice, son. Nice, son. That muffler's not offensive either. It's good sound. Nah, it's good.
I'll have to get a set of pillar pegs, I reckon. The Sheilas are going to want to
They'll be light
on this
enough
one, I reckon.
to the
Better than Dave's Huskies and KTMs. Anyone can have a Husky or a KTM, but you can't have
When's
a DR650
Darcy going to get
Dakar.
on a 34-year-old motorcycle?
Mate.
What are our chances?
Oh, I
And
don't
what
reckon.
would it be?
It'd ruin his
What would
image,
it be? It'd be something really weird and exclusive, wouldn't it?
I reckon.
What would it be?
A Moto Guzzi.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, with alternate cylinders coming out that way, and it vibrates sideways.
Can't
not
wear it
forward
so
and
it can't
back.
fall over. Remember he got his bike back? Nugget! You'd have it.
Oh, that's awesome, mate. Anyway, awesome job, mate. Congratulations.
Mate, I'm looking forward to riding it.
Yep.
Plenty of fine tune being played on an old fiddle, mate. So I'm looking forward to it.
Awesome stuff, mate. Awesome. Job well done.
All right, put it away and polish her up, ready for the ride, eh?
Beautiful.
Good Delcovic light exhaust. Keep the weight down on it. These are all being painted up and full floater. Everyone remembers a full floater.
I
as
had
kid.
a full floater.
Did you?
Yeah, I had a full floater, PE 175T.
What was the Kawasaki?
Unitrack.
Unitrack. What was the YZ?
Monoshock.
Monoshock. That's it.
What's
And
a
the
Honda
full
Nugget?
floater.
Did you know a Honda?
ProLink.
ProLink, yeah.
ProLink,
You're on
yeah, all the
fire,
kids
son.
remember them.
On fire.
But
son.
yeah, mate, we could only get black rims, so we got them re-anodized, silver in the natural silver, frames painted.
Looks brand new, Nugget. Look at the linkage.
It is, mate. Everything in this thing is just about brand new. The only thing that's still original, it's never been touched, is the shock.
Oh, right.
It has got a standard shock. It hasn't been redone or anything.
Right.
I'm going to see how it goes. If not, the Honda Transalp, remember the 750?
Yes, yeah.
They fit into the old Dakars.
I know, right?
Yeah.
So, and they're adjustable. So, worst case, yeah, mate, she's going to be getting a workout. The whole engine's been totally pulled down, rebuilt, new pistons.
What's the 2 litres of oil? 2,000 cc's of oil.
Mate, what do you reckon? What, service every 25,000?
Probably.
I reckon.
Hey, so standard engine capacity, because like it was a common mod back in the day to bore them. And that, I reckon Glenn probably hasn't done that.
No,
you
he
would have
said
been
about
mentioned.
half a mil. He's bored it out.
Okay,
That's it.
yeah.
Nothing spectacular.
Yeah, sure.
So there's no extra power.
Look at the seat, Nugget. The
Yeah, I know.
seat looks perfect.
I know one thing. It might look perfect, but it's comfortable. Is it? It's going to do a lot of miles, so I need it with this little tush of mine.
Yeah. So when we went in the desert, Nugget, this snapped off, didn't it?
Yeah,
in the other
yeah,
one.
yeah.
So that's brand new. God, it looks brand new.
Yeah, it's all been sanded back and redone. This is the original one, but we've all fixed it.
Mate.
Yeah, this isn't the one that snapped. That's on my other DR.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
That's in retirement. That's earned its place on the shelf at home.
Milk crate on that, my friend.
Bread basket if I'm going to be going long term because I need more in it.
Let's have a look at here. Look at this, the stock and the
Forks are all
off the
redone,
screen.
resprayed.
Let's come down here, Clubby. Look at that. It's even got a brand new speedo cable. Mate, XL rims. God. Hang on, let's keep going around. Let's keep walking around. Can we
Come around.
see if we can walk without Dakar? Hang on.
It's an interesting fairing, eh? Look at it, little
Yeah, let's
protection
have a
for
look
the
at that.
controls and the flight deck,
fairing there.
little flipper screen there.
It's not very high, but I'm only short, so I reckon it'll probably skim over the top of my head.
Yeah.
I've never had a trouble. Like I love the wind in my face anyway. That's why a dog sticks its head out the window of a car because it
Yeah.
loves the feeling of the wind. And now I'm like a dog. I just in the wind. So
You know what, though? I think these are KTM blinkers, old mate.
well, I thought
They look very
I
universal, don't they?
plan on dropping it. All right. So these big bulky, the original big bulky ones, I didn't want to snap them off. So I thought I'll keep these little KTM ones on it.
Size of that oil cooler, Dave, too. All those 2 litres of oil going to be kept nice and cool.
2 litres.
Engine bash plate, alloy bash plate down there.
We go and have a look at this switch block. What's the go with this? That switch block looks brand new. Look at that. Decompression lever. Switch block coming round. Now look at the speedo. What's it got in there? Look at that. It's
90,000 kilometres of loving, eh? The stories that bike could tell.
Eh?
And the stories to come. Unreal.
So that looks like a new switch block.
Yep. Yep. Definitely.
Yeah, let's go down here. Oh, look. There's got a bit of techno in there. I don't know. Did they come with folding gear levers then? I don't know.
And don't you love the foot pegs? Hey, look, they're as wide as your pinky finger. It's unreal.
There's my pinky. Yeah, yep, they're as wide as my pinky finger.
Lucky I've only got a little size 7 foot. It fits on that perfect.
Oh, gorgeous, mate, gorgeous.
Dakar.
That's it, mate, Dakar.
New chain. Yeah.
50. Oh, that's It's a KTM blinker again. They
Well-
keep coming up, Clubby.
The other ones aren't bendable, so I plan on riding it. Chasing you around, so I'm going to need something that's pretty flexible.
Now, oh yeah, so that's the cush drive in there. That's a decent cush
Yeah,
drive.
yeah, that is.
Yeah, I can
All
see
new
that.
compartments in it, all new
Yeah,
rubbers,
yeah.
and it's all, everything's been redone.
Oh, mate, you've done well, Nugget.
Only thing I'm going to change, I'm going to get the flip mirrors. Remember the flip mirrors we
flippy
had?
mirrors, yeah,
The
wrong
flippy
with the
mirrors,
flippy
they were
mirrors.
sensational.
Another
across-
KTM part.
Yeah, mate. No, this is DR. Everybody's a DR. You don't ride a DR, you're part of the DR, okay?
I remember you saying something about your DR and your sister, but we won't talk about that tonight.
Yeah, no, and I'm going to put a USB stick on it, a bit of technology.
Yeah.
And I'm going to have a good look what the headlight's like because I need a good LED headlight.
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
learned the hard way in following you in the dark on those long
Remember
roads.
that? Remember in Queensland?
Yeah, in
that
Queensland.
Little kangaroos. Oh my God.
Yeah. Up in Northern Territory that night going through the water,
Yeah.
couldn't even see. So yeah, that's a definite for after hours riding. You need a good headlight.
All right, Nugget. Well, I can't wait to ride with you. Clubby and I can't wait to ride with you in Cameron's Corner.
Yeah.
September.
Yeah, not
September,
long,
isn't it? Yeah,
not
not
long.
far away,
Yeah,
mate.
going
Not
out
long
there.
at all.
No way.
So yeah, look forward to
All
it.
right. Well done, mate. Congratulations.
Yep, well done, Nugget. That is
Well
just
done.
awesome,
Well
mate.
done.
Thank you,
Unreal.
guys. Look forward and thank you, Glenn.
Yeah,
And
big
a
thanks
thank you to
GMC,
to
mate.
Glenn.
Yeah.
Without Glenn, it wouldn't have happened. It's a dream come true for me. But I said to him, "Oh, you know, it's too good to ride." And he said, "Don't you bloody dare do that, Nugget. You ride that. I want to see that ridden."
Perfect.
So it's certainly going to be ridden.
All right.
Too good, mate.